Hello friends, Techman Pat. Today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Logitech Pro Wireless Mouse. Now, this is an interesting name because it doesn't have a number. It's not like the G900, not like the G903, and as you can see, this little area here is Logitech City. A lot of things are Logitech, the speakers, the keyboard, and this is another edition. We're gonna review this, but first we're gonna unbox it and see what this is actually like and what it does come with, because I personally love watching unboxing videos. I want to see what's inside the box and what I'm expecting to get. And you know what, sometimes if there is anything I should buy extra to get this to work, the worst thing is you get home, let's say it's 5 o'clock, everything is closed, and you don't have everything you need to make your computer or your device work. You know, back in the days, things didn't come with batteries, so you'd have to go run out and get batteries. In any case, let's see what this is like. So it's a sliding box. Actually, let's have a look at what's on the side. We've got ESL1, so all the teams that apparently use this, obviously, you know, Logitech sponsors a lot of these teams, so they'll get it. There is this little black writing on here that, I don't know if you can see, that in the center says play to win, and on the back we've got Lightspeed, which is that connection, the Hero sensor, 16,000 DPI, zero filtering, zero smoothing, zero acceleration, 80 grams, 50 million clicks. And on the side we've got here Lightspeed Hero again, Power Play, which means you can use it with the mat, and you got Light Sync, which syncs the little light that's there's not many lights. So we'll see how that goes. Battery life, I wanted to read, default lighting 48 hours, no lighting 60 hours. That is a very decent amount of battery life if you don't have a constant charge. So let's open it up. The moment we've clicked on this video. Oh, it's sliding quite easily. Cool. All right, nothing on this side. This is a very small box comparably to the other boxes, but there's the mouse. Whoa. Wow, it is really, really light. This is incredibly light. Like, the box was kind of heavy, but this mouse is incredibly light. Let me put that over there and let's have a look what else is in here. We've got a little G box, and we've got probably the cable inside here. Let's have a look at the cable. I'm guessing it's just a standard cable that most Logitech items come with. And actually, is it? No, it's not braided. This is just a clean cable. Probably mostly for charging. I don't know if you'd probably play with the cable. It's got that little cool little grabby thing. I'm not sure what it allows, but maybe it's kind of bendy. But when you do plug it in, I suppose, let me take this plastic off, it won't come out as easily and bend the actual insert bit. So when you pull it to the side, you don't get that. So that's a really cool design to make sure that your device lasts a little bit longer, or at least the cable that charges it. And hopefully you're not unplugging it too much every 60 hours. So that's the cable. I might just put that in the box because I know for a fact I will be doing the charging power mat thing, because I've got it for the other mouse, and in my review I probably won't worry about it too much. So we've got some buttons on the side, and we've got some stuff here that can be swapped out. So you can swap out the buttons from each side. Now, I personally play with no buttons on any mouse on the side. I absolutely do not like it. Maybe accidentally hitting it just doesn't feel very good. So I always put the little things, and I really appreciate that on a $260 mouse, they actually let you do that. That is an absolutely great thing. In any case, let's swap that out because I want to get using it as soon as possible. We are missing one little thing. Where is the USB dongle? It must be in here. Yes, it is. Little picture of a USB dongle. Do I rip it open? Do I take it open? Got the little cable and the dongle. Now, I suppose my question is, how do I plug this in if I'm replacing it of the other one? In any case, very little, very cool. This is not the one you can share with other Logitech devices. This is not the unified one. This is specifically for the Pro. Same with the G900s. You cannot use them anywhere else. Now, look, I'm gonna say it, it's a Pro apparently, but I would prefer a little box for all these little bits and pieces, because honestly, you can lose these things. Look at these. They're just, so you don't get much with this mouse. You honestly don't. And I suppose it's funny because that's actually the nature of Pro pro devices, you actually don't get a lot, and most of the time you have to buy more gear. So I suppose, yeah, it's a pro device. I would like more things with it. All right, what do we have on the other side? We've got a couple of pads, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a button to sync. We've got an on-off button here, and we've got this little bit here, which actually, holy crap, that is fantastic. Look at this. We can store it for travel. That's gold. That is awesome, and I love it. I am so impressed. That is awesome. And we can put a little weight on here, but this doesn't come with any weight. So I don't know, maybe you can buy some. I've seen them. I know other mice have it. Oh well, okay, we'll be putting something else in here. I'll see how it goes. It's very light. It says Pro on the back, Pro wireless, but I just can't get over how light this mouse is. It's incredible. You guys, just if you're ever in a shop or if you do buy it, just how light it is. It's just incredible. Button mouse clicks feel really, really good. I do like the way it feels in the palm. It is very similar to a G900. It's got a much lower back here. This one's got a bit of a hump at the back, and this one's obviously much longer, but it's still got almost the same sizing for the bottom bit, as you can see. All right, well guys, thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing. The mouse feels very good, it's very slick, it looks very standard. By no means is this looks like, you know, I mean look, the G900 looks absolutely beautiful. I think that's just a design. This is very undercover. Let me connect it up, let me get you guys a review very soon, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much for watching, like, subscribe, let me know what you think, and see a whole bunch of other videos on my channel if you have the time. Thanks, and I'll catch you in another one. Bye!